In recent years, groundbreaking advancements in solar panel technology have sparked a revolutionary transformation in the energy landscape. Scientists and researchers are predicting a future where millions of households may become self-sufficient in their energy needs, potentially leading to a substantial shift away from reliance on traditional power grids. According to a study conducted by the Karlsruhe Institute of Technology in Germany, the potential for solar energy independence is remarkable. The research suggests that more than 30 million homes across Europe could have met their entire energy requirements through the use of rooftop solar panels and batteries. This number is anticipated to surge to an astonishing 75% by the year 2050. Such a dramatic increase signifies a promising future where a significant portion of Europe's freestanding homes could be self-sustainable in their energy consumption. The plummeting costs and concurrent rise in efficiency of solar panels have been key catalysts in this energy revolution. Over the last decade, the cost of solar power has experienced a staggering decline of nearly 90%, as revealed by the Mercator Research Institute on Global Commons and Climate Change. This cost reduction, coupled with the ever-increasing efficiency of solar technology, has made it economically viable for an increasing number of households to consider the prospect of going off the traditional electrical grid. However, the researchers behind these groundbreaking studies propose a nuanced perspective. While the idea of going off-grid might appeal to many seeking energy independence, the most efficient approach might not necessarily involve complete disconnection. Lead researcher Max Pleinebrum stresses that remaining connected to the grid allows households to feed excess energy back to the system during times of surplus production. This arrangement could optimize the overall efficiency of the energy network. Pleinebrum and his team advocate for a macroeconomic perspective that encourages households to stay connected while investing in self-sufficient energy systems. He notes that while going off-grid might not be the most economical choice, it could be a viable investment for those willing to pay more for self-sufficiency, contributing to a more robust and sustainable energy ecosystem. Additionally, the observations made by the Mercator Research Institute suggest that falling costs could enable solar technology and other renewables to cover the world's entire energy consumption by 2050. These findings align with a separate study from the University of Exeter and University College London, predicting that solar photovoltaic energy will dominate the global energy mix by the mid-21st century. The implications of these advancements in solar panel technology are profound. It signifies a pivotal shift towards renewable energy sources, particularly solar power, which has the potential to reshape the global energy landscape. The envisioning of millions of households becoming energy independent demonstrates a significant step towards a sustainable and greener future. The burgeoning capabilities of solar technology mark an era where homes could harness the power of the sun to meet their energy needs, contributing not only to personal independence but also to a collective effort in combating climate change and fostering a more resilient and sustainable energy infrastructure. These forecasts of millions potentially going off-grid illustrate a future where renewable energy takes center stage, heralding a new age of energy independence and environmental stewardship.